Imagine if you could access 13 powerful business building software tools from one dashboard, including a lead generator, AI copywriter, page builder, social media designer, and lots more. In fact, imagine if you could have access to all of this at a one-time price. That's right, no monthly fees, no annual fees, giving you everything you need at an affordable price to build a successful business in 2023 and beyond. Now, this may seem like a bold promise, but trust me, by the time you are done watching this video, you will be wondering why you are still paying monthly for expensive subscriptions for Jasper, ClickFunnels, Canva, and others. I've learned that to be successful online, you absolutely need two things. Number one, instant access to your target audience whenever you need it. And number two, a place that this target audience can visit and buy from you. Of course, there are 11 other things you need, but don't worry, I'll cover them in this video today. Once you get a hold of what you see today, you can immediately get rid of expensive freelancers, tools you pay monthly for, and the technical headache which comes from dealing with 13 different platforms with 13 different interfaces and 13 different support teams. And instead, you can rely on an all-in-one business creation tool that doesn't require you to pay any freelancers, that doesn't require any technical work on your part, and it comes at a one-time crazy low price. We've developed, perfected, and added to a suite of tools that lets you do just that. You can even sell those marketing agency services for hundreds of dollars to all the other new businesses that will be starting up soon. Introducing PowrSuite 2.0. PowrSuite 2.0 is the ultimate digital marketing solution for marketers of every level. It enables you to find leads, write AI-driven copy, build websites, create logos, and social media designs, plus lots more, all from one platform. This platform is designed for business owners like you who want to create their business with point-and-click simplicity, like it should be. And here's the best part. You can get all this at a one-time low price. How good does that sound? Well, today's your lucky day, because today's the day it will all become a reality for you. The best part of PowrSuite 2.0 is that it's 100% newbie-friendly and gets better and better every day. PowrSuite 2.0 uses a simple yet powerful template-based system to get your results fast and easily and looking professional. Take a quick glimpse into the 13 different powerful tools included for you. The AI Writer helps you start with just a simple idea and expand it into copy that will convince and convert. With the Lead Generator, you can find prospects who will be ready to buy from you over and over again. You can also scrape leads from a website using our lead scraper with the power of Google. If you're looking to grow your business with any sort of links, you're going to love our link tracker that will help you discover which promotions are actually most profitable. PowrSuite includes tools to create professional social posts and will design ads that get attention. New businesses are going to need a logo to stand out from the crowd. PowrSuite does that easily and creatively without you having to be a designer. The page design tool is what really makes PowrSuite so, well, powerful. Opt-in pages, offer pages, bonus pages, scratch-off surprise pages are all quickly and professionally created using our templates that just make it a breeze to get your business or your client's business earning right away. And if you need another type of page, we got you covered with our simple page. Lets you create any other business page you may need. Today, with your purchase at this one-time low price, you're also getting our exclusive commercial license. Now, there are thousands of people just like you who are looking to start an online business in the new year. And using the commercial license, you can use PowrSuite to offer them services like landing page creation, lead generation services, copywriting services, link tracking services, opt-in page creation service, graphic creation service, social media content creation, YouTube thumbnail creation service, and lots more. After today, there's absolutely no need to pay for monthly, expensive, time-consuming products and services. There would no longer be any additional monthly costs. Like $20 a month for Photoshop, $297 a month for ClickFunnels, $20 a month for Illustrator, $97 a month for coupon tools, $40 a month for Jasper, $79 a month for Lead Feeder, $29 a month for ClickMeter, and $13 a month for Canva Pro. Seriously, folks, that's nearly $600 a month. That's just wrong, especially for someone just starting out. You can use PowrSuite 2.0 to get the same results at a much lower one-time price. The sad reality is that many people quit their online business even before making their first sale. That's because they get overwhelmed with all the costs and complexity needed to run an online business. If you're like most people, you've even thought about quitting once or twice yourself. I get it. It's normal, and it's all too common these days. But I've got good news for you. Everything changes today. Instead of having to worry about paying nearly $600 every single month, you can grab the 13-in-1 solution we put together for you. Get PowrSuite 2.0 for an epic low introductory price right here on this page now. And when you do, you will also unlock some incredible bonuses. You'll be getting AdSpy Pro to help you profit quickly from the ads you can create. Some great done-for-you social content to get you moving right away. You'll also get Neil's powerful product creation bootcamp package to learn how this expert quickly creates a product to sell, and you can too. Plus, as a special bonus during the launch, Neil is including a live 3-part bonus webinar series to show you how to quickly and easily make 6 figures with PowrSuite 2.0. Remember, you're getting PowerWriter, a flexible, powerful AI copy creation tool, Link Tracker, to allow you to track all your links for all your products and services wherever you use them, Page Scraper, to help you find great leads for any niche, Map Leads, to use Google to generate quality B2B leads, DFY social apps to dominate Facebook, Instagram, and everyone else, DFY simple ads to create high-converting ads quickly and easily, DFY logo to design business logos for you and to sell to clients, DFY Surprise to create interactive pages offering discounts and sales, DFY Thumbnail to create high-ranking, clickable YouTube thumbnails, DFY Opt-in Page to make pages for your customers to request info, DFY Offers Page to sell your products to your customers, DFY Bonus Page to deliver bonuses to your customers after purchase, and DFY Simple Page to create any other business page you may need. I hope you're beginning to see just how powerful of a tool set PowrSuite 2.0 really is, and how critical this is to effectively build your online business in 2023 and beyond. Don't forget, we also provide you with a commercial license at no additional charge, so you can sell services that can be delivered using PowrSuite 2.0. And hey, if your business is already set up and doing okay, and you're wondering why you would need PowrSuite 2.0, just imagine how much money you can free up by dropping those monthly fees and selling your marketing services. This in turn will help your clients grow their bottom line as well and get them asking you for more services, which of course means more money in your pocket. Sounds good, doesn't it? Maybe you're thinking, maybe it's too good to be true. You may be asking, okay, what's the catch? Is there some hefty monthly fee after this introductory price? Or maybe I have to share my profits with Neil? Well, I've got good news on both fronts. PowrSuite 2.0, with all 13 of the tools I mentioned, is available at a low one-time cost, but only during our special Hit the Ground Running into 2023 launch event. Soon it will rise to its normal monthly price of $97 a month. As you can see, we have worked hard to get you a great introductory price that gets you the complete set of 13 tools and allows us to just about cover our costs. At this price, it's a real win-win. And as usual, everything on this page is backed up with our rock-solid money-back guarantee. So, if you're ready to be an action taker, and I think you are, then click below and join the PowrSuite 2.0 team and build a successful business today and far into your future.